Let's begin with the cropping seasons of our country. There are three cropping seasons in India: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Let's begin with the Rabi season. Rabi crops. They are grown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Okay. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, gram, and mustard. Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, states from the north and northwestern, such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh, are important for the production of wheat and rabi crops. So, states which you have to remember are from north and northwestern. Which are those states? Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, J&K, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. Why? Why are these states important for the production of wheat and other rabi crops? Because availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperate cyclones help in the success of these crops. Alright, so western cyclonic depression, okay, so because of which there is a precipitation during the winter month and which helps in the growth of the rabi crops. However, the success of the green revolution in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan have also been important factor in the growth of the above mentioned rabi crops. So which are the other states? Because of green revolution, they are able to produce rabi crops. So Punjab and Haryana again. Now comes western Uttar Pradesh, alright, western part of Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country and are harvested in September and October. Okay, so when are these crops sown? So it is on the onset of the monsoon, June, July, all right, and are harvested in September and October. Important crops grown during this season are paddy, maize, jawar, bajra, tur, that is arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. On this slide, there is a table which differentiates between Kharif and Rabi crops. So, if it is asked in the exam, it's very easy to remember if you draw it in a tabular format. Alright, so just go through this table and remember the points. Now, let's discuss about the next season, that is the Zaid season. What is the significance of the word Zaid over here? Firstly, meaning of the Zaid in Arabic means to prosper. Okay, so this is the time between the Kharif and the Rabi season. It's a summer time, correct? There is no other crop in the fields during this time. So it's a golden chance for the farmers to sow these crops and harvest it in this short period of time. It's a golden chance for them. It's a boon for them to gain more money out of their agricultural plot. That's the reason this particular season is named as Zaid season. Okay, so these crops, Zaid crops, are mainly grown in the summer season. They require warm, dry weather as major growth period and longer day length for flowering. These crops do not depend on monsoon and are raised using artificial irrigation. Some of the crops produced during Zaid are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops.